Hello everyone, welcome back to She Codes. Today is day 1 of our 100 days Java challenge designed especially for students preparing for placements. Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Accenture and other software company interviews. If you are starting from absolute zero, don't worry. By following this challenge consistently, you will build a strong Java foundation and your placement preparation. So, let's begin with the first question. What is Java? Java is a high-level, object-oriented, platform-independent programming language developed by James Gosling in 1995. One of the biggest reasons Java is popular is its write once, run anywhere feature. This means we can write Java code on one system and run it on any system that has a JVM installed. Now, let's understand the three most important terms every Java developer must know, that are JVM, JRE, JDK. First, JVM. Java is a virtual machine that executes Java bytecode. JVM is responsible for executing Java bytecode. It acts like a bridge between Java programs and the operating system. Next comes to JRE, Java Runtime Environment, which stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE contains JVM and all the libraries required to run Java applications. JRE is used. If you only want to run Java programs, JRE is enough. And when it comes to JDK, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK contains JRE along with the development tools such as the Java compiler. Whenever we want to create Java applications, we install JDK. A simple way to remember this is JDK contains JRE. JRE contains JVM. Now let's install Java. To installation and setup for Java, download the latest JDK from Oracle or OpenJDK. Install Java, download latest JDK and run installer, then complete installation. Verify installation, open command prompt, Java version we need to check, then expected output, we will get expected output like this according to the version. Check compiler, Java C version, so that we can get this kind of version details. The expected output is Java C 21. This is the 21 version. Our first Java program is public class hello world and public static void main string args. Then system out.println of hello world. This means we will get to know in